In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find recently watched reels on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up Instagram and then tap right here to head over to Reels. Basically, guys, in Instagram there is no such option how to see the history of viewed reels. However, I'm gonna show you a few tricks that will help you to find reels that you have viewed before. If you have Instagram app open and if you are watching reels just like I am doing right now, and then if you decide to go back and review the reel you have just watched, you can easily do so in that way just by swiping down. Each swipe down takes you to the previously watched reel, just like that. However, guys, if we close Instagram app and then if we open it up again, it is not gonna work because each time we reopen Instagram app, it will reset the reels watch history. As you can see, now it shows me different reels. I got some problems with my internet connection, but I think you got the point. Now we see different reels here. So the only trick how we can be sure that we will be able to rewatch the reels we like is to interact with that reels. Either like a reel we would like to rewatch later, or comment, or also we can save that reel. I'm gonna show you all the ways. Let's start with the saving the reel. I'm just gonna hit right here at these three dots. That's where we can find save. I can just tap on it to save the reel I like. Let's say I like that one too, and I can just hit add save. Then to find all the reels we've saved, we need to head over to our profile, tap at menu, and that's where we can easily find saved. We can get into it and then add all posts kind of album or folder. We can easily find all the posts. We can filter them by all posts or reels. In that way, I can just go to Reels tab to see all the reels I have saved. Also, we can just like a reel we would like to rewatch by hitting add likes, and also we can comment a reel. I'm just gonna enter a comment here, and now I'm gonna show you how we can find a reel that we have liked or commented. In the same way, first off, we need to head over to our profile, then tap at menu. That's where we can easily find your activity. And here we can find likes and comments. I can get into likes and it will show me all the content all over the Instagram that I have liked. I can filter it by content types. If I hit right there, I can filter it by posts or by reels. In that way, we can easily find previously watched reels that we have liked. So just do not forget to like reels to be sure that you will be able to find it later here. The same about comments. I can get into comments here, and that's where we can easily find all our comments on Instagram. And also at the right side next to the comment, you can easily find the reel or post you've commented on. Basically, guys, that's how you can easily check reels history on Instagram. And if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.